This is today's pickings. On the left side I have the Zürich, and these are the Zürich, and this is the Küsnacht, and these are the Bernese Rose, and here I have the Dattelwein. I'm gonna do a tasting. So here we have the Zürich Original. This is the Berner Rose, the Bernese Rose. And this is Küsnacht. And here is the Dattelwein. This is the Zürich Original. Peter, you're too noisy. This is the most local tomato variety I can get. It's the Bernese Rose. And it's interesting, they have a different color. I wasn't aware of that. They don't have such a red like this. And I asked my neighbor and she said, yes, the Bernese Rose, they have a different kind of red. And this is the Küsnacht. This is the Dattelwein. Let's open this first. Okay, if you can hear the hooting, that is because there is a wedding. Driving around a wedding convoy. So this here is the Zürich Original. Looks quite pretty. And tastes very good. Then here we've got the Küsnacht. Küsnacht is also a town in Switzerland, and that's what it looks like inside. I can't tell you the difference, to be very honest with you. I think they're very similar to each other. And here is the Bernese Rose, Berner Rose. It tastes very good, but again, next year I think I'm gonna have different varieties. I just want to show you the color of these potatoes. You know, these potatoes were in the surprise bag. The potatoes I have bought last year at the Christmas market, at the local Christmas market. So I don't know the name. It could be St. Galler Blau, but that's what they look like. Crazy color. But they do taste really good. I couldn't resist harvesting the first Brussels sprouts. They're still small, but they were delicious. So I have boiled the Brussels sprouts in salt water, and then I have put a bit of creme fraiche on top of it. I also used up my blue potatoes. I've just fried them in a bit of oil in a pan. And I had a bit of leek. I have grilled them with a little bit of butter in a pan, so it's a bit charcoaled. And I've put parmesan on top of it. And I sprinkled everything with my herb salt I made the other day. Brought home 6 of the honey nuts. These are smaller than the butternuts. I don't have so many butternuts, but I have quite a few of the honey nuts, so they can ripen on the balcony now. Just want to show you, I have a new wash basin for the plot. It stays here for now because I'm going to rebuild the shed. But yes, my neighbor has found this for me. It's not an antique, I'm afraid. You can buy antiques, they're very rare though, and very expensive. So this is a replica, but I think it looks lovely.